It's been a while since the last Samsung mid-range Android handset. The organization looked excessively occupied with its Galaxy S, and we relatively lost expectation that we'll see a Galaxy Spike successor. However, here comes the Samsung Galaxy Ace S5830, and we are hurrying to give you a hands-on video and a couple of photographs. The Samsung Galaxy Ace S5830 front side looks to some extent like the Apple iPhone 4, while its back resembles a smaller than normal Galaxy Tab, the one in white. Another distinction we saw is that our pre-creation dark unit has a sparkling back, while the authority photographs propose that the back of the Galaxy Ace is hazy, instead of gleaming, and has some surface on it. The Samsung Galaxy Ace S5830 front side looks somewhat like the Apple iPhone 4, while its back resembles a smaller than usual Galaxy Tab, the one in white. Another distinction we saw is that our pre-generation dark unit has a sparkly back, while the authority photographs recommend that the back of the Galaxy Ace is hazy, as opposed to polished and has some surface on it. We are entirely satisfied with the Froyo running cell phone regarding execution. It's clearly an early model and a few bugs and stops are not out of the ordinary, yet the general menu root and application execution is very great. We'll have the capacity to reveal to you more about the Galaxy Ace S5830 when the C is finished. Presently appreciate the hands-on video and don't hesitate to share any impressions you may have of the handset in the remarks segment beneath.